is shining, which means it's time to go play.
But
Still 22 degrees outside though. So we forgot the Suburban keys, so we can't pull things out that way. So now we gotta see if the skid steer will start up so we can pull everything that way. Let's hope so. Because the 450's gelled up right now. So she's not starting at the moment. Well, she'll start, but she's not running right. Oh, there we go. Come on, Honda. Get it. This is the land before the rednecks get a hold of it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you what happens when we get a hold of it. Hey y'all, we're the Gibbies. If you're into mud rides, trail adventures, or just straight up shenanigans, you're gonna want to hit that subscribe button and make sure you check us out on our other platforms. We hope to see y'all on the trails. It's gonna be like a slingshot behind the four-wheelers. Rock, come do it on the mound. We got a mound of dirt that Austin put out here a while ago. But, okay, this snow is really hard to walk in because it's either like solid or you just start falling. We're gonna see if we can sled down the mound.
I don't even think.
Dad's swimming. Y'all look like penguins. Woo! You didn't go as far, Dad. Oh! You didn't go very far.
Yeah, because I moved too much.
Watch out! Why did you roll? Why did you roll?
Huh?
Why'd you roll?
I was doing a trick.
Oh. Man, we're already messing it up. Crazy. Even the skid steer is not going all the way down to the gravel. Huh. Look, we don't feel like moving the RZR. We just don't feel like starting her up because she needs some loving. So instead of moving it, we just put it in neutral and then just picked up the Honda to get it like this. Honda life, Dad.
No days for Honda life.
The Hondas are the
Wah,
best.
wah, wah.
Our favorite driving thing would be the Honda.
Yep. All right, get yours.
What gear is it?
I think first. Turn. It's not even going down.
No. Guess I'll follow on for a second.
Okay. Two-wheel drive problems. What the heck?
She doesn't know how to ride, does she, Rye?
Yeah, because look right here, look over there. That's where I drove, and here's where she drove.
I
It's
know.
still kind of white, and mine is fully like brown.
Uh-huh. Terrible.
It's a lot easier when you stay in the rut.
Rock and roll.
He decided not to push this year just because the money wasn't worth it. People were being cheap. But now he's going to go push the end of our street. Apparently, I guess he's just missing out. He's crazy. Oh, that one wasn't that good. Okay. You're not going anywhere.
Never do that. But you can do this.
What are you doing? Here he comes. Back from his day job. No! No! Oh my God, no! Quit! Ow! Oh my God, that freaking are you? I'm gonna get him back. Don't you worry. Look at this. Literally, how am I supposed to get the Honda out now? Turd head.
Grading.
What?
I had to do some grading.
You didn't have to dump it on me. I didn't think you would actually do it.
I should have dumped it right on top of you.
No, that shit hurt. It's solid ice.
I should have brought the boogie board. You let go. And
These boys and their ideas.
And you're going to go flying across that whole field.
I mean, I could take this out.
I should have brought the boogie board.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is why you don't let rednecks buy heavy equipment.
Watch out, Grayson.
Ain't rolling.
He pushed me over there last time.
Alright, I'm gonna push you this way. Ready? The best way is right over here, Austin. Right over here.
Yeah. He's right there. There you go.
Dad, you gotta film the other way because Lonnie's filming this. So, go on my knees or should I sit on my butt? I feel like I should sit on my butt.
I feel like you might hurt yourself on your knees.
I got it.
I'm gonna give you some feed.
Ow.
Can you cross your legs?
Don't go. Don't let it go back.
Just hold
Can you
on.
cross your legs?
Are you
I feel like your feet are gonna catch the thing.
She's good.
Okay.
Bye.
For sure thought I was going in that ditch.
Oh, Grayson will be good. Oh,
Push him hard.
I got that longboard in there.
Watch out, Ra. Yes. Dad, do not get hurt.
Huh?
Do not get hurt.
Okay, I'm going back.
Don't get hurt.
Uh-huh.
Wait, who's your train?
Be sure to check out our swag shop, linked in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, we would appreciate a thumbs up or click the subscribe button to see our next adventure. Thanks for watching.
You go pull it straight. You go pull it straight.
Hold yourself up, son.
There you go.
You have to watch out for trees. He has a long rope. Be careful of the trees. He has a long rope.
Go on, just pull it. Let me get in there and you can pull me.
Yeah, we tied around my damn waist.
No, you pull me.
Pull you
He
with
said
what?
he's gonna tie
Your
it around
body.
his waist.
Oh, that's what I said. I'm gonna put it around my waist and pull you
Yeah.
like a mule.
Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Hold on, hey, Ron. Oh! He's going so fast.
Heck yeah, dude.
Are you frozen?
My butt was on the snow, hanging on. My butt was like this on the snow. And you were sitting on my leg.
Come here, let me see that hair. Show me that mullet. What's that mullet do? Shake it.
Randy, he needs a haircut.
Yeah, he does. It's like watching me climb on top of the razor. It's not a pretty sight.
You gotta use it. It's all good dirt.
Okay, are we ready? I thought I was going into the tree a minute ago. Everybody had fun on our snow day?
Yeah.
The teenagers stayed at home in case y'all were wondering where she was. Hey, but what do they need to make sure they do? So we can keep making these videos.
Like and subscribe.
Right, Ryder?
Yeah.
Like, share, and